How are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. How do you like it? So short, right? Well, it's this time of the year again. My sister does my hair and I decorate her Christmas tree. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to decorate a skinny tree. If you like it, please press thumbs up. And if you are not my bestie yet, go ahead, press the red button, subscribe to my channel, and you automatically become my bestie. We will be in touch and having so much fun here. Always creative, beautiful DIYs on the budget, okay? Let's get started. Skinny pencil trees are great because they don't take up much space. And I love this one's alpine appearance. I'll provide a link for you in the description box below. Even though it's pre-lit, I always like to add a set of twinkle lights to my tree. It really makes a difference. I just quickly run the wire from the bottom to the top and so on. For a professional look, I like to make the topper myself using some Christmas picks. And here I'm just inserting some pine branches with pine cones. You can just insert them at the top along the tree's pole and use some pine tips of the tree to hold them in place. Add a few of them so it looks nice from every angle. And then I'm going to add a few white sprays with snowflakes and beads. This is a skinny tree, so you don't need that much. Just maybe 3 of each. Fluff it up, bend, and spread it out. Mix them together. Next, I like to add ribbon to my tree. And the emerald green buffalo check is my favorite. That's from Marshall's. And this is the brand new ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Some really pretty designs. Today I'm gonna combine 2 ribbons. Drop the rolls on the floor, cut the fishtails, measure a 6-inch tail and pinch, and then measure another 12 inches, fold in half like this to create 6-inch loops. So we have 2 tails, 2 loops, and we are going to attach this to the top of the tree by twist tying 2 pine tips. Pine tips work just like twist ties, but if you are working on a real tree, you are going to use a floral wire to attach your ribbons to the tree. And here we are going to run these tails diagonally across and find another set of 2 pine tips, pinch, tuck it in, and tie it down. Make sure it's nice and loose. And we are going to cut the ribbon, leaving about a 6-inch tail. We are going to leave some space and now run another set diagonally across, just like that. Here we are just attaching a 6-inch tail, running it, pinch and tuck in a tree, twist tie it, nice and loose, and let's run one more set. Tuck it in, pinch and tie. So we did like a double roller coaster here. And now you can cut your tails. It's much easier to manage the ribbon when you're working in small sections. Unfortunately, you're not getting much ribbon from the Dollar Tree, so too bad that's ending because I love that white and black plaid. But what we are going to do is make a loop with the green buffalo check and just attach the whatever remainder we have, tie it down to the tree. It's not enough to run a loop with the white ribbon, so I'm just gonna let it loose. And I'm going to make a loop with the buffalo check ribbon and tie it down right there with the 2 pine tips. Just fold the ribbon in half and cut diagonally for a nice fishtail. So this is what we got so far. This is the front of the tree, 3 runs. I think that's cute. But now we still have to do something on the sides, right? Look at this. This is how it looks from the side. We need to add some ribbons, so I'm just going to use this one instead of the plaid. It's also adorable. Actually, some trees are green buffalo check, which is perfect. Let's start with the fishtails. Measure a 6-inch tail, pinch. Measure 12 inches, pinch, fold in half. We got 2 loops, 2 tails, right? And we are going to attach it to the tree. Okay, and again run it diagonally, tack it in a tree, and tie it down over there. Fluff it up and cut it off. Alright, so we got the left side and the front done. Let's look at the right side. We need a little something there. We are just going to repeat the same thing. We are going to attach it somewhere there on the side, and again going to run it diagonally towards the front of the tree. Fluff it up and cut it off. And here is the remainder of the ribbon. Not much left, but we can create a little loop. So let's just cut the fishtails. We don't want to waste any ribbon. We are going to double it up with the green one, of course. When you fold your ribbons in half and pinch about a 5-inch loop, you got a cute little bow, right? We are going to just tie it down to the tree. Find a spot where you could use a little something, like right here, for example. I like to start off with the biggest ornaments first. For the top of the tree, I like to use the smaller scale, and as you move towards the bottom, larger. I like to tuck my ornaments in, so I look for holes and just push the ornament in there so it doesn't stick out of the tree. And same with the big ornament, just look for those holes. That's why jumbo ornaments are great, because they're perfect fillers for those holes. And then I like to add all the other balls. Most of them are medium sized. I add them one color at a time so I can space them out evenly, and then tack them deep into a tree, all the way down to the pole, and even from the back, because you can see your ornaments that are hanging from the back. You can see them through the front of the tree. All those balls on the inside are beautifully reflecting the light and really making the tree dimensional. And once that's done, we are going to hang the special ornaments at the tips of the branches so you could see all the details and beauty. You will continue hanging all your special ornaments at the tips of the branches. Just so you know, these are mostly from Kirkland's. I especially love all these cute little snowmen. How adorable. And here are our favorite finds from the Dollar Tree. How amazing. They look like Kirkland's quality as well, right? I like to mix my more and less expensive ornaments together and no one ever knows. When you have large ornaments like these snowmen, you look where the tree branch sticks out some more, where you can fit these, right? And when the string is that long, you wrap around the branch a couple times. And then when you let it go, it hangs beautifully, just like that. If you appreciate all the tips and tricks that I'm sharing with you, please press thumbs up button and give me some snowman emojis. So we need to spread these out all around the tree. Let's not forget reason for the season. Look what else my sister got. Such a beautiful beaded garland. I wanted to wear it. Unfortunately, I have to put it on a tree for her. She got it at Michael's. So what I'm gonna do is attach one of those wired hooks at one end, hang it over there in the back of the tree, and bring it forward. And I'll run it loosely across, and then right there on the side, I'll take a turn and bring it back forward. I'm not taking it all the way around the tree because I'm afraid I'm gonna run out. So I just go from side to side, cascading down. And as I'm reaching the other end, I'm going to attach the hook at the last bead. Step back, see how do you like it, and feel free to fix anything. Isn't that a lovely accent on a tree? I love it. And the final element I like to add to my tree are the pick clusters. We made these clusters a couple years ago by combining snow-covered branches, some pine picks, pine cones, crystals, berries. Of course, we're not using full-size picks, just pieces that you tie together with one of the stems and create little clusters like that. So this year is easy. You just pull them out and add them to your tree. So I started with the smaller ones at the top and then the largest at the bottom, the longer ones. If you feel like the cluster might fall out, just use one of the pine tips to wrap around the stems, okay? I also found some pine cones that we sprayed with some fake snow a couple years ago. I'm gonna use them as fillers and insert here and there for a finishing touch. And that completes the tree. I hope you like it. So my sister just asked me to help her decorate a brand new fireplace. It's a shiplap electric fireplace. She got it at Big Lots. Would you like to see? For above the fireplace, she got this picture. Welcome to our beautiful chaos. And for those who don't know, my sister always had 3 boys. And finally, after years, she got a little girl, Eleni. Look at her. My cuteness. Her gender reveal party was the most exciting ever. I encourage you to watch it if you haven't seen it. So we're going to make the fireplace coordinate with the tree using what we have. Fold the garland in half to find the midpoint and attach a command hook right there in the center, and then 2 more on the sides. She's had these garlands for years. She has 2, one plain with pine cones and another one with antlers. So we're going to use one for the front and the other one we're just going to lay on top. We are going to add a reindeer and a Christmas tree that I created a while ago. Actually made a similar reindeer as well. Feel free to look up this video. Such an inexpensive, easy DIYs. I think the Dollar Tree plaid deer will look great here as well. To raise up the candle, I'm going to use this plate and a little wreath around it. I think that's cute in the center. And I need something over there on the side as well. And then I remember my sister had the little Christmas garden stake. We were going to use it for a wreath. But what we can do here is just put it in a floral foam, cover it with some pine, and that will create the perfect balance over there. And then we just light up the candle, make a little jute bow with some greenery for the center to cover that command hook, and voila, a beautiful fireplace decor on the budget, not spending much at all. And by the way, have you seen Dollar Tree pillowcases? This one is a perfect addition over here. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please press thumbs up and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.